channel. Today on my channel I'll be teaching you how to prepare roasted plantain served with fried mackerel sauce. This is a local African dish. In Africa, you find women making this special dish on the street using charcoal. Trust me, it is yummy. But I'm going to teach you how to prepare this in your home using your oven. Come with me while I show you the ingredients I'll be using today. Right here, I've got plantain. I've also got bell pepper and tomatoes. I've also got onion and scotch bonnet. I've also got my seasoning cube ready. Right here, I've got my mackerel fish. Is washed, is cleaned, and ready to be seasoned. I've got my red palm oil ready, salt to taste ready. For today's cooking, I'll be using mortar to grind my peppers. I'm using mortar because I want that local taste. If you use mortar, you get a very tasty local sauce. Over here, I've got my oven tray ready and I've also got my pan ready. Okay guys, come with me, let's get cooking. I'm going to start first by seasoning my mackerel fish. In goes my seasoning cube, in goes my salt to taste, and then I am going to rub it in. I'm going to rub it in and also turn it on the other side and also rub it in properly. Afterwards, I will put it aside for a couple of minutes to allow the seasoning to penetrate in before frying. Before you start washing your plantain, ensure you preheat your oven before cooking. Gas mark 7, which is 220 degrees, depending on the kind of oven you are using. Now I'm going to wash my plantain. Always wash plantain before cutting them. You don't want germs in your food. After washing the plantains, I'm going to start by cutting the head of the plantain off and the tail off. Afterwards, I will slice in between the plantain to take off the skin of the plantain and then place it on the oven tray. Do the same with the other plantains, and afterwards you put it inside your oven. While the plantain is inside the oven, I'm going to quickly start grinding my peppers. After grinding my peppers, I will go check my plantains to see how they are doing. Remember to turn your plantain over to the other side before putting it back in the oven. Looking at the plantain right now, you can see it's changing color already. This is how it looks. When you talk of African roasted plantain, it is not different from what you are seeing right now. So I'm going to place it back in the oven and now start frying my fish. I'm using deep fryer to fry the fish because I want something that will be quick and easy. You know, it's not all the time you want to take kgs in the kitchen. You just want to be quick and get it over with and dissect that meal that you're longing for. In goes my red oil, and after a minute, in goes my onion. Stir, allow for a minute, and also add your blended peppers. So I'm going to allow this pepper to fry for 10 minutes because I want it to be properly fried to give me that local taste, and that's why I'm using red oil. My fried fish is ready, so I'm going to set it aside and then add a little bit of seasoning into my sauce. In goes my seasoning, in goes a little bit of salt to taste. Stir and allow for a minute or two before adding your fried fish. In goes the fried mackerel fish. Look at that, it's really looking nice. And then after adding the fish, you stir to allow the sauce to penetrate into the fish. You can do this for just 2 minutes and the sauce will be ready to serve. Look at that. Isn't this looking really nice? Honestly, until you try this, you will not know how yummy roasted plantain with mackerel fish sauce taste. Looking at the sauce is ready, and also plantain is ready. Looking at the plantain, whenever you see it golden brown, just know the plantain is ready. Always leave your plantain in the oven for at least 45 minutes. 20 minutes in, turn your plantain to the other side and allow the rest 25 minutes to finish up the cooking. Also, it is important I let my viewers know, whenever you're having roasted plantain, ensure you serve it hot. You can only enjoy it when it's hot, because if you leave it cold, it will be hard and you'll not enjoy it. As you can see, food is ready and I'm going to serve the meal now. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you have not, go to the right side of your phone. You will see subscribe. Just press the subscribe button and also press the notification button, so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Guys, come with me. Let's go and eat. Look at that, guys. Isn't this inviting? Isn't this yummy? This can serve 4 people, but if you know you are a heavy eater, just leave it for 2 people, okay? Thank you guys for watching my video. I trust you guys enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please try out this dish and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye. Ciao.